guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys see by the title, we have a wig from Unice. So this is a box here, and they reached out to me to do a review for you guys. So here we are. So this hair is on the Amazon website. So this is a Yaki Kinky straight 13x4 lace front wig, and it's also human hair, and it's pre-plucked. And the density is 150 natural color. As you guys see here, this is what it looks like, and we'll see what this hair looks like in real life. It also has baby hair. I really like the picture, how it looks there, so hopefully that is what the hair looks like. So we got some goodies in this bag here, and this is the wig. Okay, so they sent me a 20-inch. This is what the wig looks like. It looks very natural, very thick. It's really nice. It smells okay, and it looks like it's pre-plucked like it says, and the baby hair is right there. So we got 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the bottom here. And let me just put it on and see. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like, and it looks really nice, very pre-plucked. I love it. It is very thick as well. So we'll see how I could style this wig. So before I cut the lace, I'm gonna go with my hot comb and try to straighten up the front. So it's taking the heat really good, so that's a plus. It looks like they bleached the knots as well. This is really good. Like, I really like this kinky hair. Let me just like part it and let you guys see what it looks like. I might do like a side part. That is just what I like. I got a lot of lace to play with. Part it anyhow you want. You got a lot of lace all the way down here. Really nice. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we're just gonna play with it and see. This is really nice. The 20-inch, this is pretty long. Let me just comb it out and see. Yeah, I'm not experiencing any shedding. Alright guys, so this is how everything looks. I really didn't know what to do with this wig. I straightened a little bit so it won't be too wild, but it looks okay. I didn't want to cut up too much of the lace and then it don't fit my head, so this is how it looks. And I just put a little powder there so it will look a little bit natural. This is a really nice unit. It looks very natural. I put a lot of heat on this and I didn't have any problem with it, and I didn't get any shedding, no tangling or anything like that, so I am happy. This is not my first time working with Unice, and they have really nice hair. I never had any bad experience with this brand, and I like this. It looks very nice, very kinky-ish. It looks like my hair, and I tried to straighten it a little bit but still have some of the curls in there. This is a very nice wig and I recommend this wig for you guys, so everything will be listed down below. You could get this here on their website, or if you get on the Amazon website, I will have the links down below for you guys. So they don't have a headband in here, they just have some lashes and some other stuff in here, but they don't have a headband, and I don't have a headband to even try it out. So this is it. And I really didn't do too much. I just used my iron just to straighten a little bit and my hot comb in the front, and it takes heat really nice. So if you want to wear it like this, wear it like this. I like it like this, just look really natural. Or if you want to wear it in a bun, you could do that as well because it's really thick, and also it's big head friendly. This goes on really nice on my head. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wig. Love it. Okay, this is a really nice wig. If you are new here, hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I upload videos you will be notified. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning, and you guys are sharing the video, so thank you guys so much for your support. Until next time, guys.